Welcome to the ultimate ERP solution for UAE property developers, brought to you by Professionals Lobby. The UAE property market is complex, with 70% of transactions being off-plan sales. Developers struggle to balance rapid sales cycles, intense regulatory compliance, and high customer expectations. Disconnected systems can lead to lost leads and compliance risks. Generic ERPs fail to meet the market's demands, offering limited escrow management, manual SPA generation, and insufficient DLD compliance. Our Property Developer ERP provides full escrow integration, automated bilingual CPAs, built-in DLD compliance, and flexible project-based accounting. Our specialized Property Developer ERP acts as the ultimate digital backbone, unifying CRM, sales, SPA generation, invoicing, and escrow management into one compliant ecosystem. This integration covers operations from lead capture all the way to title deed handover. Our centralized CRM and broker management system offers lead capture from multiple sources and uses smart routing for prioritization. It also manages complex multi-tier agent commission structures with automated calculations based on deal value and timing. With dynamic visual inventory, you get visual mapping with 2D/3D floor plans and automated synchronization with external listings to eliminate double bookings and provide real-time status tracking. We automate the entire sales lifecycle, from instant token payment processing for unit reservation to the automated generation of custom, bilingual SPAs. We also handle dynamic payment plans and provide digital execution for remote contract signing. Achieve ironclad financial and UAE regulatory compliance. This includes automatic DLD fee calculation, full escrow account management, and automated invoicing linked to payment plan schedules and construction milestones. Bridging the gap from construction to final handover is seamless. Features include project monitoring linked to contractor payments, comprehensive defect resolution, and automated handover checklists for the final title deed application. Future-proof your development with AI intelligence. Meet Lobo, your AI business buddy, providing predictive analytics for sales modeling and smart automation for proactive alerts on payments and deadlines. It also offers 24/7 intelligent chatbot support. Our real-time intelligence and portfolio analytics provide interactive heat maps to visualize sales velocity and unit popularity. You can track conversion funnels, benchmark agent performance, and get live financial forecasts mapping cash flow against construction draws. Professionals Lobby ensures expert implementation with local market expertise, deep understanding of DLD and escrow requirements. We offer end-to-end service with custom integration and guarantee total adoption through full RTL Arabic support and comprehensive staff training. Ready to assemble your future? Get a customized ERP consultation for your next property development by visiting our website, www.professionalslobby.com.
Professional